Hey guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix not able to plant seeds and grow a garden. So if you are having this issue, there are a few things that you guys can do. So the first thing that you guys can do, which is the most simplest one, is simply just leave the game and then rejoin. Now instead of just clicking on the blue button and rejoining, what you can do is go over to join connections. From join connections, you can look for the number of players and go ahead and click on ascending and then try to join from here. Most of these might be private servers, so you might have to scroll down a bit, or what you can do is go ahead and just click on descending and hit exclude server, or ascending and hit exclude full servers. So if I, let's just say, try joining this this guy's server, I can go ahead and join, and yeah, that should also, like, once I actually go into the game now, it should help fix the issue, and I should be able to plant the thing. If for some reason the issue is still persisting, what you guys can do is you can try to uninstall Roblox, and then make sure you have your username and password saved, of course. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and reinstall it from the Roblox website, and then you want to basically try launching the game again, and yeah. So that should help fix the issue. Also, you guys want to make sure that you actually have seeds that you're planting and not the actual plant. You have like a seed. So that's also something to keep in mind. But other than that, that should be it for the video. That is how to fix the issue. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.